Potato in the Unleashed truck. And the Self-Inflicted over here on the other side. Yeah. Wayne Bumper. Self-Inflicted Jeep. Pair of hard-running Pro Stocks here. Third pair down the track. We've already seen the track is looking. Got some teeth in it. We're going to find out where the weak parts are today. All right, hold them up. Hold them up on the start line. Hey, come on with the golf cart. Get off the track, girls. We need y'all to get off the track. Go all the way down there to the end and cut across that tape, but get off the track. Completely off. No, behind the guardrail. All right, we've got the golf cart out of the way. We are ready to go. Now we're ready. Unleashed on the right-hand side. Self-Inflicted in the left lane. A little cool looking lime green and orange rat rod chop top right lane side of the MTM track. Self-Inflicted bright red Jeep over here got the wheelie bar Pro Stock action coming at you. How about this? The wheels up straight down the middle and out the back door. We got a clean run there side by side. MRA Pro Stocks, what do you think about